Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this BMW 3-button remote key fob. First, what we need to do is remove the blade from the bottom of the key fob. We do that by pressing this button here, like so, which releases the key fob blade. The battery sits behind this panel here, so we need to remove it to get at the key fob battery. We get our flat-headed screwdriver and we place it in the gap there, and just click the cover open like that, and there is your key fob battery. We get our little screwdriver again and just prise it out like so. This key fob takes a key fob battery with a part number of CR2450, like this one. Okay, we get our new key fob battery and we pop it back into the housing like so. Make sure the writing is facing upwards in its correct location. We need to pop it back together. Make sure everything's lined up, pop the case on. Now it's time to put the blade back in. There you go, it's all done.